There are only two ways to get your website to appear on the first page of a Google search. The first is by using AdWords, also known as PPC, pay-per-click, and the second, search engine optimization, also known as SEO. The first method, AdWords, requires money and expertise. The second, SEO, requires time and effort. To understand the difference between these two methods, you need to understand how Google divides the page layouts for search results. Now, Google makes its money from selling advertising, and the top search of each page is the most valuable position as it gets the most views. Google has therefore designated this space for advertising, and companies bid using an auction-based system known as AdWords, which allows the highest bidder to have their website displayed in this space. Depending on how competitive the auction is, Google may display up to 4 competing advertisers in this prime space, with the highest bidder taking top position. This is the Google pay-per-click model, which earns them billions of dollars each year. The space directly below these adverts is often used to display a map of companies in your area which offer a service you may be searching for. And directly below the map is often a concertina display of questions people have asked which are related to your search request. After these 3 elements, usually towards the middle or bottom of the page, the organic search results are displayed. These are the free listings which usually deliver the best quality search results, as they are ranked by Google's now famous algorithms and not by the biggest marketing budget. Users are becoming more aware of the difference between organic search results and paid for advertisers, with people actively seeking out the organic search results. To get your website to display in the organic search results, your website must accommodate for the algorithm to rank it. This is called search engine optimization. So how does SEO work? Well, Google has bots or web crawlers that search the entire internet with the intention of indexing all websites. These bots are essentially just lines of code, but they record key information from all websites and then ranks them according to specific criteria to match your search request. The best results are then displayed at the top of the organic section. The benefit of search engine optimization is that it does not cost you anything other than your time and effort spent optimizing your site to ensure that it is ranked in the top few. It does, however, take time for the algorithm to move your site higher up on the page ranking system, and therefore requires ongoing work and input, but the benefit is that it has longevity. On the other hand, pay-per-click can deliver almost instant results and can be targeted to specific keywords, but this does require money and expert knowledge to set up a Google AdWords campaign. You need to research and understand which keywords your potential customers would use for your product or service, and then bid in an auction-based pricing system. You can set daily and monthly budget limits to control your costs, as well as customize your landing pages for key search words, which will help improve your conversion rate. However, once you have reached your budget limit, your advert disappears. So when starting a new business, the best option would be to start with AdWords, as this is the quickest way to get your business into cash flow. But at the same time, constantly work on search engine optimization of your website, as this has more longevity. In the end, the best strategy is to work on both PPC and SEO. I hope this video has been helpful. So as always, remember, we are here to help.